Hi, 3D mechanical design. Fluid mechanics. Water tank, water height 2 meters to the middle of the drain. The drain diameter is 0.04 square meters. The coefficient of contraction for the orifice is 0.61, coefficient of velocity is 0.98. What is the volumetric discharge rate for the tank? The volumetric discharge rate or flow rate for the given water tank can be calculated using the formula Q equals CD times A times square root 2 times G times H, where Q volumetric flow rate, CD discharge coefficient equals CC times CV, CC coefficient of contraction equals 0.61, CV coefficient of velocity equals 0.98, A area of the drain orifice equals 0.04 square meters, G acceleration due to gravity equals 9.81, H height of water above the center of the drain equals 2 meters. Substituting the values CD equals 0.61 times 0.98 equals 0.5978. Q equals 0.5978 times 0.04 times square root 2 times 9.81 times 2. Q equals 0.0239 times 4.9 equals 0.117 cubic meters to second. Therefore, the volumetric discharge rate or flow rate for the water tank is 0.117 cubic meters to second, or 117 liters second. Thanks for watching. Please like and don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video.